Arambe.
I get the people for Shita. They call me Young Dangote. Na na na. Hello, nice to meet ya. We know they wear the same nika. We know they run the same agenda. For all the people who been downgrade. Na na na. I became that nigga.
Monila to do bega, debu temeka. I want to me hulu tempa, hulu tempa. Monila to do bega, debu temeka. As you enter, hold remember, hulu tempa.
To make winning chairs, you can draw an outline of your desired chair on paper and cut it out with scissors or a blade. This paper chair outline can then be pasted or twisted with a pencil, pen, marker on a square wooden plank. Guided by your outline, you can then cut out the wooden chair with the saw. Make a hole in the center of the wooden chair that is large enough for the pole you intend to spin the chair on. Ensure that the width of the teeth and gaps are similar as possible when making chairs of different sizes. You could also drill another hole closer to the periphery for inserting a handle to rotate the driving chair by hand. Chairs are simple machines with rotated wheels for controlling speed, torque, or twisting force and direction of motion. You can set chairs up to transmit motion as this or change the speed, torque, direction, and so on for your desired aim. In this example, a driving chair with 30 teeth is used to drive a smaller chair with 15 teeth in the middle, which then drives another chair of the same size. On the other side, note that for every semicircular turn of the 30 teeth chair, each of the 15 teeth chairs make a full circular turn that is twice faster revolutions. Also note that each driven chair moves in the reverse direction of its driving chair. This, like all other videos on this channel, is not intended to teach you everything about anything, but to hopefully get you interested enough to learn more from several other better sources.
Thanks for watching, and always remember,